Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Janae. I run a blog called Highlowluxxe and I focus on luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. And again, I don't know what day it is of Vlogmas, but don't worry, we have videos coming. Today we are going thrifting. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I recently started thrifting like a few months ago, and I really love it. And I am on the hunt for very specific things. So I'm going to take you with me. We're going to go, it's like the thrift store I go to is right down the street. So we're going to go there. We're going to try some things on. We're going to hit all of my favorite spots, which are like blazers, sweaters, and coats. But then we'll also peruse and see what else we see. Oh, maybe belts too. So we're going to do that. I'll try everything on because I like to do that. I don't know how the lighting will be, but hopefully with my new vlogging camera, it'll be great. So let's go. Let me show you what I'm wearing first. Okay, so here is my outfit of the day. I am wearing this sweater, which is thrifted, and I love it because it's like a cardigan. It zips up and it has big shoulder pads in it, which are my favorite thing. And then I just have it tucked in. It probably comes like down to here, but it's all these really pretty pastel colors. It's very much, what's the brand? It reminded me of, hold on, let me look, because it's like Love Shack Fancy. So I've mentioned that brand before. I have a few of their dresses, but they have a lot of sweaters that they came out with for winter that are a lot of pastels and just really pretty like prints. And when I saw this, it reminded me of it, and I got it for like $8. So score for me. I have my new little baby, my Chanel flap, which goes perfectly. I've never worn this sweater before, and now that I have this bag, see how that works. And then I have these super old jeans on because they're just really comfortable and easy to get on and off since I'll be trying things on. And my Gucci loafers because we're gonna be walking. So that's my look. I'm not gonna wear a coat. That's why I chose to wear a sweater. And it's only, I think it's like 55 degrees, so not too cold. And we're just going from the garage to the car and then to the thrift store. So I've been talking long enough. Let's go. Had some good luck in the cardigans and not a lot of luck in just regular sweaters. Now we're in my other favorite section, which is just blouses. This is where I find all of my good silk shirts from, like button-up shirts. So let's see what we find over here. And of course, we're going to try all of this on. Okay guys, we are in the fitting room. Hopefully you can hear me. I got lots of cute things, so I'm gonna try them on. Hopefully there's enough room in here, I think there is, that you'll be able to see. Here's the red leather jacket. I love it. It's super, super old. The brand is Casablanca. I've never heard of that brand. But I love it. I wouldn't wear it like this, but maybe like with a skirt, even like zipped up and like all buttoned up. It's just so 80s. Like I feel like I could be in like Paid in Full. Like that is the vibe. That is the vibe it's giving me. Oh my god, it's so cute. And you can like unsnap this and just like I like the idea of like the arms pushed up. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It has a little mark over here, so I may see if I can just see if you can see that. You can kind of see. Yeah, it has a little mark there, some red dye there, or like some type of pin or something. But it's just too cute to pass up for $12. Living my 80s dreams. That's what Jackie's doing. A stunning silk top, well, silk polyester, I don't know. But I love the print. It's very like Dolce & Gabbana kind of vibes. So definitely getting this. It's missing a button over here, but I'm probably just gonna take the button off of this side so the sleeves can be super long. You see how they have that fold? I'll just make them longer, or I'll add a button, I'm not sure. But you know, I love a good silk blouse. I think this would be really cute tucked into like some black pants, a red lip, super cute. Yeah, so this is a yes. This is a yes also. Another silk top, but look at these colors. It's like a bright orange, a hot pink, and then like a black, kind of like a snakeskin print. This could be so cute in the summer, like as a cover up over a swimsuit. Like I imagine being in Miami wearing this, or of course just like tucked in like a regular button up shirt. But I love how long it is. This is an extra large. Yeah, love this print. This is so fun. So fun. Lots of gold chains, gold bracelets, just summer vibes. This will be a nice one to pull out for the summer, or like my next vacation. Love. Okay, speaking of gold, I forgot to show this little bag. Like even with this outfit and some little like cut off shorts. Oh my god, look at her. She's stunning. Ugh, the mirror's so dirty you can hardly see. But super cute. It's $5.99, but so cute. Some gold sunnies, lots of gold jewelry. But I really like it. It's like a velvet too. So pretty. Yeah. Okay, I love this too. This I think was like custom made by someone. The label says Suits of Dallas. Not with this outfit, but it could definitely be a vibe with something like some wide leg pants or oversized pants or baggy pants. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm even tempted to get it like taken up to like there. To just take this bottom part out. Yeah, I like that. But the structure is fantastic, so I'm thinking that may be worth it to just get it like him. It's so loud in here, I'm sorry. Hopefully you can hear me. But this is a go. It's like $7, so. Okay, I've tried everything on. Now it's time to check out. And then we'll chat some more in the car. Kind of around my like tips, strategies when I go thrifting. So let's check out and see what damage we did. And again, this is thrifted too. Love this sweater.
Enrique, please come to the front.
Okay, I just got back into the car. We checked out. I got everything for $38. Just a steal. I got 2 shirts, blazer, a leather jacket, and that cute little handbag. The lighting was really shitty in there, so I'm gonna go home and try everything on again and kind of like style it a little. I know that would be more helpful and more fun. So I'm gonna stop at McDonald's really quick because I haven't eaten all day and I need a burger. And then we're gonna go home and try on, I think I got 4 things, try on and kind of like style them up. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Okay guys, we're back. I got my McDonald's. I ate it in the car. We're done. But I wanted to quickly try on the things so you can see kind of like my plan, my ideas, my thoughts. So this is the little rose shirt. So cute. Of course, all of this stuff, once I try it on, I'm going to wash the stuff that can be washed. And then the blazer and the leather jacket I'll take to the dry cleaners. But this is the jacket, and I just have it on with my favorite little leather trousers from Zara. These are the like can you see, trouser. They're not like the skinny ones, but yeah, I think this is so cute. This would be a great little office look, but also, I mean, I just wear it out and about with some loafers or some heels. Also when it's like not as cold, really cute with a skirt or something. So this is the shirt in much better light, but it's so pretty. Again, this is very much, it just reminds me of kind of like Dolce & Gabbana vibes. So like this a lot. And this was, my total was $38 for everything, for 2 shirts, a blazer, a leather jacket, and the little bag I got, which is, my god, how cute is this? Let me turn this light down. Oh yeah, you can see the true color. So pretty, so festive. This was $5.99, and it has to be vintage, right? I mean, that's the inside. So cute. Sorry, let me let it focus, but that's the inside, and it's just so cute. So very excited about that. So let me try the next thing. Here is the leather jacket again, like leather little bomber. So cute, so 80s. I just put it on with a little black dress and zipped it all the way up, pushed up the sleeves. I love it so much. Yeah, it's just so cute and so now, but so vintage at the same time. I love it. I love it. I love it. Did I say I love it? And even like tucked under. Oh, some boots. I love it. This was $12.99, and it's real leather. So excited about that. Okay, next thing. Okay, this I just wanted to show you in better light, just so you can see how pretty the print is. It's like a snake print, but with orange and pink and white. So pretty. Again, I would wear this in the summer as like a cover up and just leave it open with a swimsuit, or with like cut off shorts or white shorts or something like that. But the colors are just so pretty. I don't think I have anything orange, but I just love this print. And then the fact that it's silky, lots of gold chains, and I'm feeling a Miami vibe, which I think I'm gonna go to Miami in a month or 2. So this will definitely be going. I didn't style this one, but I just wanted to show you how vibrant the colors are and just how pretty the print is. So pretty. Okay. Oh, the blazer is left. I'll show you the blazer real quick. Okay. This is the last thing in my focus, that pink blazer, and I actually paired it with these red little dress pants because I like the juxtaposition of the colors together. And I still think I may shorten this to here. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take it to the dry cleaners anyway, so I may get it tailored to make it like a little shorter, but I'm not sure. But that's everything I got. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want more of these. Of course, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe, and read my blog, highlowluxxe.com. As always, thanks for stopping by. See ya.